PAAL GmbH has been established for over 150 years, during which time it has manufactured over 30,000 machines. Although there is great history and experience, PAAL have always looked forward, not backwards, and as a result, they have managed to grow and prosper through a structured process of continual improvement and machine development. This philosophy is reflected in the latest range of PAAL balers, which combine innovative features with the robust, reliable performance that PAAL machines are famous for. Combined with PAAL's excellent technical support and backup, a PAAL baler now provides market-leading levels of reliability and performance. The PAAL range of auto-tie channel balers is suitable for baling all types of recyclable products. The multifunctional touchscreen panels combined with clear recipe managements enable easy machine operation, even in demanding multi-material environments. PAAL offer a very wide range of auto-tie channel balers that are suitable for a wide variety of applications, from small distribution centers through to huge material recovery facilities. The smaller PAAL Pacomat models offer a 35-ton pressing force, whereas the largest Kontis and Lycons provide a 200-ton pressing force. Both vertical and horizontal tying systems are offered, and for more demanding applications, cross-tie is also available. The fully automatic PAAL tying system has been proven over many decades and in thousands of installations. The speed of the system generates maximum throughput, and the separate wire cutter offered on the Konti and Lycon ranges is more robust and allows for thicker wire to be used if desired. PAAL machines feature especially large press chamber access doors, which greatly assist maintenance and housekeeping. The direct mounting of the hydraulic block onto the cylinder minimizes heat generation and energy loss. Numerous design features are incorporated into the machines to keep operating costs down to a minimum, including new high-efficiency piston pumps and optimal knife design, meaning that power consumption is reduced whilst throughput is increased. The press plate runs on specially designed long-life rollers. There is a central greasing point, and twister hooks with bolted exchangeable wear plates. As well as machine performance, great emphasis is placed upon the safety of the machines. All PAAL machines comply with the latest EU machine directives and safety standards, and the mechanical key exchange system is very highly regarded by safety professionals in the industry. So, for a high-performance baler that is easy and safe to operate and which has surprisingly low running costs, speak with your local PAAL representative about the PAAL range of auto-tie channel balers.